Are you looking for a quick and efficient way to create a two-dimensional array of indices in NumPy? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we will explore the fastest method to achieve this. I totally understand your frustration. Creating arrays can sometimes feel tedious, especially when you're trying to avoid nested loops. You're not alone in wanting a more Pythonic solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to create a NumPy two-dimensional array containing cell indices, like a 2x2 matrix, where each cell at index ij contains the list ij. Let's dive into this together. So what is the best way to create this array? Using nested loops is one option, but it can be slow and cumbersome. Fortunately, NumPy offers powerful tools that can help us create this array in a more efficient way. And stick around. At the end of this video, I will share a quick tip that will make your array manipulations even easier. To create a two-dimensional array of indices in NumPy, the user can utilize the NumPy function called meshGrid. This function generates coordinate matrices from coordinate vectors. Next, the user should define the shape of the array they want. For example, if the user wants a 2x2 array, they can create two ranges, one for each dimension. Now, the user can create the coordinate arrays using meshGrid. They should pass the range of indices for both dimensions to this function. Finally, the user can stack these coordinate arrays together to form the desired two-dimensional array of indices. This can be done using the stack function. Fun fact, did you know that NumPy is named after the term numerical Python? It has become the go-to library for numerical computations in Python. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the product function from the itertools module. They recommend creating a 2D array of indices by generating all combinations of indices and reshaping the result. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach to creating a two-dimensional array of indices is to use the NumPy function called np.endIndex. This function generates the indices for a given shape. You can define a function called chords that takes the number of rows and columns as inputs. Inside this function, you convert the output of np.endIndex into a list and then reshape it into the desired format. Here's a pro tip. Always explore NumPy's built-in functions. They can save you time and make your code cleaner and more efficient. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a two-dimensional array of indices in NumPy quickly and efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.